Hello and welcome to Smith's Nissan in Peterborough. Here we have a 2018 Toyota CHR 1.8 VVT-h. It's a petrol automatic. This vehicle comes with 3 months warranty. Extended warranties are available through us. It comes with a multi-point inspection by Nissan trained technicians and a full history check. We can also offer a full range of finance packages to meet your requirements. Let's take a quick look around the CHR. Here we are up front. There is front parking sensors. Coming down to the passenger side front wheel. Along the side, there is privacy glass. Down to the rear wheel. Around to the back, there is rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. Let's take a look inside the boot. Down to the driver's side rear wheel. Let's take a look inside the rear. Inside there is full leather interior. Let's take a look inside the front. Inside there is heated front seats. Here we have the infotainment screen and climate controls, drive selector, electronic handbrake, a leather steering wheel, down to the driver's side front wheel, and back round to the front. Thank you for watching this video.